Just noticing it.
Yeah. You just...
See, I was noticing it. I didn't even see this. Yeah,
is that crazy? That's crazy. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Guys, they're growing on trees out here, and we're standing here noticing there's no windows back there. But pretty wild 05. I guess it's a true Saleen. They're just growing on trees everywhere. But actually, there it is. Two-tone GT, guys. I finally pulled the trigger and I got my two-tone GT. Dang. Drop me a comment below, boys. Did we do a good job? Okay, no, I'm just kidding. Actually, that was Dover's idea.
Chris was like, what the hell?
He's like, hey, that's my car. No, guys, this is our good friend Chris's car, and she needs some love. She needs a lot of love. She's been down for a long time. I don't think he's even had it out of the garage this year. Or was it last year too? Maybe. I don't know. But yeah, guys, let's get in the shop and give her some love.
Yes, it is.
Interesting.
Yeah, I've always liked
yeah, it's wild. Yeah, I'm telling you, one of these days we'll figure it out and wear cleats.
Yeah.
Either that or just buy a four-wheeler and tow them around.
Or lift a golf cart.
Yeah, golf cart too.
That's nice, bro.
There we go.
I think Mr. Perry got one of the nicest of those I've ever seen.
What's that?
Saleen.
Oh yeah.
Mr. Perry and Jackson.
All right.
Those on car too clean to be sitting in the garage.
Exactly. See what we're working with under here. Well, partially tore down.
Like ripping a Band-Aid, huh?
Yep. Yeah, these are AFR 165s. He sent the intake and everything with it? Okay. Hopefully.
I guess it's in the back.
Hopefully.
You look at it about as much as I looked at it.
There it is.
So he did a top end kit on the stock block, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all be pretty healthy then.
Oh yeah. Definitely. We just need to see why it's not running so good. Here, I'll hold it.
I don't stay up.
Yeah, looks like there's a box. Oh, it's rolling.
There's the upper. There's the lower.
Epic.
It's just the air box and stuff.
Yeah.
Heater core in there.
I think that's a hint.
Oh, get this box out. I don't think I need that other one. Oh, shit.
There it is. What intake did he have? He had Edelbrock, didn't it?
Well, look. It's like Edelbrock lower. I mean, tighter in there. Yeah, you like Edelbrock down.
Yeah. Yep. Former 5.0. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and lift this shut.
Set her up. Yeah, there it is. I guess he needs one of them too, huh?
He's dropping hints already.
Just drop this in here.
Just maybe they'll see it. Just yeah. Okay, that's the rest of his accessory drive and dizzy.
Yeah.
All right. Get her up in there and see what we're working with.
I still got Fox stuff. I guess there's a sign they need another Fox. Huh?
Exactly, yeah.
No.
All right, so yeah, she's been leaking for a while. That's all right. It's in good hands. Yeah. Just drain everything out and get the yanking. Yeah, just a little bit of water.
Yeah. Of course, that may have just been already pulled the intake.
Yeah, that's possible too. Yeah, not horrible. Yeah, she's been leaking pretty bad for quite a while. What happened to the timing pointer?
Is it bad too?
It's bent.
Oh yeah, it's bent.
Yeah, she's been leaking a little bit of everything for quite a while. Sheesh.
Transmission covered.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm. It's covered in.
Keep it from rusting, man.
There you go.
Yeah, it's that protective coating, you know.
Like you have up north, you know, that under oil coat. You just pull it up. Bolt in it. Let me get loose now.
There you go. God, please got a ton of that crap on there, no.
Death by Orange RTV. Ford, not SVO 16s. Oh man.
There you go. Check some of the other ones again.
All right, coming off.
Moving.
Yeah, there she is.
There it goes.
Damn header's catching.
Yeah, I got it.
There she is.
Doesn't look too bad.
No. Pretty good cross section in the zone. Come on, baby. She's almost out.
I think number 2's hitting. There it is.
Yeah, hold on, you covered on this cable too.
Yeah.
There you go.
There it is. Oh. Yeah, it's
Just the lines and shit all still hooked to it.
Oh, damn.
yeah, it
So
doesn't
I mean,
have,
maybe I can pick it up and tilt it forward.
you can get the head up a little bit, slide that back off.
Yeah, maybe. Get all this down here. Let's slide it forward now.
Yeah. Yeah.
There we go.
Look at it. See?
Yeah.
Jeremy be knowing tricks of the trade.
Something like that.
He be knowing.
Did we find the culprit?
Valves all the way, ain't it?
Yeah, I was gonna say, that looked pretty freaking lean.
I ain't sure. Look.
Yeah. Any pistons cleaner than the other?
Which it was just overheating. I don't think he had any like mixing or anything or burning coolant.
You got good cross action in the cylinders, bro.
She's right there, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
Gasket all rusted right there.
There you go.
Yep. Sure enough. All right. Can't really see anything tall tale as far as, you know, if it was blown or not, but they're off anyway. Really would like to clean all this up. Pull all this off and clean all this up. Use gray and not so much because it's everywhere. Yeah, nothing really standing out as far as being blown. These two exhaust valves are really lean. That plug. But clean all the orange goop off. How do you feel about all that orange goop there? I mean, golly.
Nickelodeon.
I mean, yeah. Jeez Louise. Yep. Yeah, another thing we noticed, guys, them headers burned all the way through that AC line.
At least it'd be easy to pull out now.
Yeah, definitely. Super easy. Yeah, we can have it out in 20 minutes.
You know, get that new stroker engine or
Yep.
Coyote,
363 or a Coyote.
7.3, you know. Options
Godzilla.
are
Yeah.
plentiful nowadays, huh?
Tell Chris to open up that. Tell Chris he needs to open up that checkbook.
Yeah, he opened it.
Don't be scared. Huh?
Yeah, it's only money. You
It's
can't take
just
it with you.
money.
It's just money.
I think I need to go move that Saleen out there. Huh?
Yeah.
Gonna put Chris right back over there.
I'm gonna put it where that Mustang right there is. It's Saleen.
Woo! She's nasty. You can hear the blower on that thing. Pretty badass. All right, guys. So there you go. Not sure exactly what the plan is with Chris's GT. I'm gonna get in touch with him, but the main thing is we're getting it fixed. Been wanting to do this for quite a while. Super clean car. Got new upholstery in it and everything. Just needs some love, y'all. Just like every single one of them. He's done all the trim, all the molding. Super nice car. All right, guys. So real quick, just gathering parts. Waiting on a tune, waiting on the owner, waiting on transmission, and final assembly. Uh-oh, what'd we lose? Oh, okay. This car's wild. It's got all kinds of custom stuff. Look at,
Seen this exhaust?
I guess that's the Saleen
It's
exhaust.
got tips in your hand over here.
Yeah, it's got tips here.
Oh, okay.
See how?
Ah, that's crazy.
Yeah.
It says Saleen on the muffler too.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, this is gear and stuff.
That's wild. We're doing gear in this beast. Man, he got a big old system in it. Or at least a big box. Yeah, this thing is wild. That's crazy. Like the where the rear spoiler does. You can see, guys, they filled in the muffler, and then there's no door handles. They must have locked down there. That's a true Saleen. Pretty neat car, yeah. Hold on, shall we show them under the hood?
Yeah.
Is it popped? It's that 3-valve life.
3-valve power.
No, guys, that's the old school Saleen blower. Yeah, there's your pulley, supercharger pulley right there, which need a bigger belt. But yeah.
Man, I ain't even noticed that the alternator was mounted backwards.
Yeah. Yeah, which is wild. That's how Power by the Hour did it. Pretty neat. Got injectors.
Push it back. They good?
Ooh. Yeah, that's pretty. Yeah, there's the Saleen
Yeah, that's lean badge under
right
there.
there. Pretty neat car. We got engine and drivetrain coming for Raymond's car. The wiring continues on George's car. And then, of course, Boomer's car, getting all the turbo and everything mocked up. Had to cut some holes in the engine bay to make all that work. So, yeah, boys, progress. Oh, I didn't even show the interior off. What was I thinking? Man, actually did get Dover got the carpet in it, and yeah. especially around that cage. That was fun. But these are the Acme door panels, which you had to do quite a bit of cutting to get them on, but I mean, they look good. Then all the control pack harness starting to go in, so things are definitely moving along. All right, guys, so there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Keep it tuned right here. Gonna figure out what we're gonna do with Chris's car. Maybe just put it back together. Don't know. Maybe he's feeling froggy and wants to put some money in it. Who knows? So, yeah, guys, and then also don't forget Ford Takeover, May 7th and 8th. Details on the Foxcast.com. I've got a lot more information coming, but go ahead and mark your calendars now because you're not going to want to miss it. It's going to be epic. So yeah, I guess we're going to put a gear in this Saleen. Y'all have a nice day.